Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm going to show you all how to prepare Arabian spice mix. This spice mix is used for making Arabian Kabsa rice. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 small dried ginger, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 8 red dried chillies, 8 cloves, 8 cardamom, 1 star anise and 3 bay leaves. Now let's get started. Take a pan, put it on a very low flame. Now transfer all the spices into the pan. Now mix all the spices and roast it for about 3 minutes. Make sure the flame is very low and the spices doesn't get over roasted or burnt. Once you get the aroma of the spices, switch off the flame. Now transfer it to a blender and blend it well until you get a fine mixture. This is how the spice mixture looks. Our Arabian spice mix is ready. Hope you all like the video. If so, subscribe to my channel. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Do check it out. Try this at your home and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.